Every police department has a top cop. Called the Chief of Police, he or she is the person responsible for overseeing the entire department. This is a job that combines years of experience as a crime fighter with strong management skills. In many ways, a chief of police is like the manager of a typical business. The chief deals with planning and budgeting, as well as hiring and supervising the staff.
I just got a teletype as description on the vehicle on that possible child abduction.
This includes monitoring police activities ranging from routine traffic enforcement to criminal investigations. In addition, part of the job is being able to work closely with community leaders, such as the mayor and various civic groups. The chief is often called upon to speak before public meetings, as well as in front of the media. This position is filled through political appointment. Education requirements vary by community, but a bachelor's degree in criminal justice or business administration is expected. To be eligible, you need to have several years' experience as a senior police officer in a command position. Being chief of police can be very stressful. Your decisions may have life or death consequences. There's also the pressure of being in the public spotlight, dealing with difficult, if not hostile, questions.
I got a grievance this morning from the PBA.
While this is usually an office job with regular hours, the chief is always on call to deal with an emergency. The freedoms we enjoy wouldn't be possible without law and order. Law and order wouldn't be possible without the dedicated professional guidance of chiefs of police.